Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to install the Kanban Task Manager on SharePoint Online, and this is about the Sandboxed edition. It's still supported in SharePoint Online, but you have to go through some hoops to get it working. First of all, you need to go to the Admin Center of Office 365 and then skip further onto the SharePoint Admin Center. If you don't have the permission to get in there, then you need to ask somebody to do that for you. And in SharePoint, I will find the active site. I'm just going to search for Kanban here to find it. And by default in SharePoint Online, scripting is disabled, so you need to enable custom script. Then you confirm that, and it will reset to disabled in 24 hours, which is plenty for us to actually install the application. Now you're back in the site, and for the rest of this demo, you only need to be a site admin. You don't need to be a SharePoint admin to do the rest of it. Now I'm going to go into site contents and make sure that I have the site assets here, and I already do. If you don't have it, then you go into the site settings and manage site features, and then you enable the wiki homepage. That won't change your homepage or anything, but if you don't have the site assets, that's one way to get it there. And the site assets are needed because that's where the files are going to be added. So let's go into the site settings again and find the solutions here. It's under the Web Designer Galleries, and there you upload the WSP file that you've downloaded from kalmstrom.com, and then you activate that solution, and that gives you another feature in your site, but you also need to enable that feature. So again, we're going to go to site settings and find the manage site features, and there it is, Kanban Task Manager 11.0 in this version that I'm showing, and now you need to activate that. So when you do that, a few things happens. First of all, those files that I mentioned will be added to site assets, and also a site action will be added. So if I go into site contents again now and find my way into site assets, there you see there's more files there now. There's the ASPX file and there's the JS file there, which is as it should be. Also, if we go back to site settings here, now I also have a link to the Kanban Task Manager, and that points directly to that ASPX file. When you go there, for the first time, you see it's creating a KDM tasks list. So that's setting up your environment for actually working with tasks. If you already have a tasks list in your site, then it's going to use that instead of creating its own. So that's it. Now you're done. You have installed Kanban Task Manager in a SharePoint Online site using the Sandbox solution. Thank you for watching this demo.